After watching this video, you will be able to create your coffee shop menu card like this in just 5 minutes without any graphic skills. You can save this menu card as a PDF, image and also in video. The menu card which we are making is 100% print ready, so you can even print this menu card from your any printing shop. So let's get started. We will make this menu card in just 2 steps. Number 1, getting coffee time template, and number 2, editing the template. Open your internet browser and go to www.easyfileshop.tech and search coffee time here. Why we have to buy this template? Because as we don't know any graphic skills, this template will remove all the headache of graphic designer. And if we hire any graphic designer to create this menu card, they will charge around 2000 Indian rupees to 3000 Indian rupees, which are around $40 to $50. But as you can see, this template is only of 150 rupees, which is around $1 or $2. Quite cheap, right? So let's purchase it. Click on Add to Cart. Then click on Checkout. Fill up these billing details. After filling in billing details, click here and click on Place Order. Choose your payment method. I will go with a debit card. Enter your card details and make the payment. After making payment, you will be redirected at the order section. Click here to access your template. Click on Use Template and sign into Canva by using the social login or via your email ID. I will sign up with an email ID. Click here. So this is your editing section. From here, you can edit anything from your template. So from this, we have completed our first step. Now let's move to the second step, which is editing our template. Before starting editing, let's choose the color of our menu card. To see all the color of the menu card, click here. And choose your color. I will go with this color. Now go to your chosen color and double click on it. So here we got our exact pre-made template. Now let's see how to edit the text of the template. To edit any text on the template, just double click on that text and edit your text. That's really easy. Just like this, you can change this, this, and even your coffee name and their pricing. Now after changing the text, let's see how to edit the image of this menu card. To change this image, simply go here and search coffee here. And you will find an endless options here. Select any of them and drag and drop them here. And your image has been changed. Okay, so we have edited our text and image of the menu card. Now let's save this menu card in different format like image and PDF. Now to save in PDF, click on Download. In file type, select PDF. And here, select your page number on which your menu card is present. So in my case, my menu card is present on the 3rd page. So I will select 3rd here. And click on Done. And then click on Download. Your PDF is ready. Now you can go to the printing shop to print this menu card by this PDF. Now let's say you want to upload your menu card on your social media. In that case, you will need an image of your menu card. To download an image of your menu card, go to Download. In File type, select JPG. On Page, select your page. I will choose 3. And click on Done. And now download it. Your image is ready. Now you can post this image to your social media. So this was the mini tutorial about how to make a coffee shop menu card. If you want to learn how to make a website for a coffee shop, then watch this video.